We live in a hyper-connected world. Cars are transforming from driver assistance to full automation. Smart factories stay connected to improve productivity, and smart cities are constantly creating, transmitting, and analyzing data. In these connected systems, security is mandatory. Malicious attacks from hackers looking to take control of automotive systems like ADAS, gateway, infotainment, and telematics can cause malfunction and irreparable damage. Unauthorized access and data theft in a smart factory can stop production, damage machinery, and even harm humans, creating the need for secure solutions that are scalable and reliable. NOR flash devices are used in these connected systems to store boot code and data, and are targets for hackers to modify the system for unintended behavior. Introducing Semper Secure, built on our proven Semper NOR flash technology, the world's most secure, safe, and easy-to-use NOR flash memory for automotive and industrial systems. Semper Secure is the flash you can trust, securing your data and code storage at the edge with advanced security features to safeguard your system from attackers. It offers hardware root of trust with immutable, unclonable identity, including TCG DICE-compliant secure boot based on unique device secret. It offers advanced cryptographic functionality with symmetric and asymmetric key provisioning and management, as well as a built-in hardware acceleration engine that enables authenticated and encrypted secure transactions. Semper Secure allows users to secure system secrets and code in secure memory regions, and it supports secure over-the-air updates and diagnostics with authenticated and encrypted transactions between the cloud server and the flash memory. Semper Secure meets ISO 262 automotive functional safety standards. It is TCG DICE compliant to ensure your hardware device identity firmware attestation and is FIPS 140-2 ready. Semper Secure is also easy to use with a solution development kit, documentation, and code examples that simplify development and software reuse. When security is mission critical and failure is not an option, Semper Secure is the flash you can trust to keep your data safe.